Hi, and thank you for watching my channel. Today, let's talk about a simple technique that you can use starting today and to take out a simple word that is going to help you get massive success in your life and send a different signal out to the universe. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, we're back. My name is Chad. Like I said, I'm with Unlock Wealth Consulting. In today's video is what I want to do is I want to help you, and I'm always going to give you, the watcher, the best tip that I can possibly give. And one of the best tips that I've heard is getting rid of the word if. So we have a vocabulary that we send out to the universe, and we often use the word if. If I go on that date, or if that person likes me, or if I get that promotion, or if I get that house, if I get that loan. We're always using the word if, which implies we do not have, or we do not know if we're going to have, which implies that we are really believers of luck. You know, how lucky am I to get this? How lucky am I to get that? We want to get rid of that word and start to become aware of using that word. And whenever you do, replace that word with when. When I get this, when this happens, when I meet that person, when that escrow closes, or when I get that loan. Always use the word when. Now, what's that going to do? It's going to automatically change your vibration about the situation in life. So instead of thinking, well, if, which is I might not, you're thinking when. I know it's coming, I'm just not sure when. So that is a really good trick you can use by just becoming aware. Now, is it going to happen overnight? No, it's going to take time. But the more you do that, the more your awareness goes, and the more you can become aware of knowing you're doing that, and you're going to be replacing that word. And it's kind of like a fun little game. So treat it as a fun little game. Yep, I just said the word if. And if you say if here and there, it's not a big deal. But you're going to slowly start to become aware you're saying that and replace it with when. When I get this, when I get that. A couple of the words that you might want to get out of your vocabulary is the word can't and don't. And the reason I say is because of this. Our subconscious mind takes whatever we give to it at full value. It does not differentiate between what's real and imagined, or true or false, like our conscious mind does. Our conscious mind can determine if something's not real, if something's fake. It just can. That's the gift that we've been given. Your subconscious mind is what does all of the work. It's what does all of the action. So your conscious mind is kind of like a gatekeeper. So something that can go through into the subconscious mind is words when we say, I don't want to be in debt, because our conscious mind is thinking, well, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Your subconscious mind doesn't understand don't. It just understands debt. So we say, I don't want to be in debt, or I don't want to be fat. What exactly are we saying? We're just saying the word fat, and we're saying the word debt. So your subconscious mind doesn't understand. So if we can replace those words, it doesn't understand can't, and doesn't understand don't. And there's a lot of things it doesn't understand, but those are two of the main ones. If we can start to become aware and replace those with different words, a great one is I am. So instead of saying I want, or I don't have, or just simply say I am. I am happy. I am healthy. I am aware today. God is my creator. I'm happy about that. The universe works with me, okay, not against me. We have to, life is a game. We're put on this beautiful earth just for a short period of time. So why not make the most of it we possibly can? We weren't put on this earth to think debt, or to struggle, or to fight everything. We just weren't. But up in our minds, we make it like that. I was listening to a book yesterday, said that there's no such thing as a problem. Any problem that exists on earth exists in the mind of a human being. And that's very, very true. The problem gets created in our mind. So we think there's a problem. If it wasn't for us being here, there would be no problem. There'd be no problems on earth. The mind makes it a problem. So we have the advantage of, when we look at a situation, is it good or bad? Well, it's not good or bad until we make it good or bad. It's my perception of that problem if it's good or bad. So if it's a problem, I'm thinking, okay, that's a problem. That went wrong. That's a problem. But it really just is. See, if it wasn't for me turning it into a problem, it would just be as is. So I don't mean to confuse you. I just wanted to try to help you guys out on what you can do. But the main part of this video was the first part, and that is replace the word if with when. So do the best you can all week long. Always think, oh, I just said the word if. I just said the word if. When. You kind of get that strong, confident feeling when you say when. Even maybe put your hands on your shoulders a little, on your hips, and say, hey, be like that Superman. Get confidence in yourself and you'll do great. So I'm Chad with Unlock Wealth Consulting. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends. Click subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Share, like. So thanks a lot for watching, and you guys have a great day.